able to grow healthy hair fast with rosemary and clove spray. I have seen great results, and that's why I'm sharing with you all, my lovelies. I will tell you this for free. To grow healthy hair fast with rosemary and clove, consistency is definitely the key. Staying consistent will yield great results at the end. I will show you how I make my spray that help me grow healthy hair fast with rosemary and clove spray. I have a bonus tips at the end or anywhere in this video, so make sure to watch the video to the end to get that, as it will be beneficial. It will benefit you a lot. It is not news that some people struggle with hair thinning, slow growth, or lackluster hair, but the good news is this: hairspray addresses these common issues with natural ingredients. Let's discuss the benefits of rosemary and clove for hair health, including their properties that promote circulation, strengthens hair, and prevent dandruff. So I'm going to take you guys through the ingredients that we're going to use, then the benefits, then why you need to use this hairspray. And guys, this is for free. This is tested and trusted. One thing you have to take out of this video is that I want to give you something that I have not tried, that I have not seen result, and I have not tested. If not for anything, if there's nothing that is going to give you the assurance, use my hair for instance. It's an evidence for you to see that these things I'm talking about really works, and I kid you not. So let's get into the video. If you don't know what cloves are, this is a closer look of cloves. Cloves is very important because cloves promotes hair growth. Cloves conditions the hair follicles. Cloves boost blood circulation to the scalp. And if you're the type that is struggling with dandruff, clove is definitely the remedy for you. Now let's get to rosemary. If you're looking to add shine to your hair, rosemary is definitely the best choice. Rosemary also promotes hair growth. Rosemary stimulates and improves circulation on the scalp. So you see why these two ingredients are very powerful. So combining these two ingredients for your hair, you will not regret it. And like I said, consistency is the key. Don't wait and expect like overnight miracle. No, you need to try out this combo for a couple of weeks or months. Just give yourself that task to try it out and see for yourself the result that you get. So for best results, I would advise you use this ingredient or this combo at least 2 to 3 times in a week on your hair. And another thing that I will 2 to 3 times in a week, then how you do it, you combine the ingredients together, then look for a clean container where you can keep it, then put it in that container. Make sure you put all the goodness in it. Take the quantity that you need. You really don't need that much, depending on how long you want it to stay. Put it in the container, add water, any kind of water you like, as far as you know the water is good. Add the water into the container that you've added your cloves and rosemary into it, and after adding it up, you shake it up together and keep it, store it. You can add to the quantity that you know you use. I don't do it to keep like that. If that's light, I put in the fridge. At least this should last me for like 7 days before it gets bad and I discard it. So I make the water, as in I add it to the quantity I will really need, so I don't waste it. And that's why I didn't really pick much. A little goes a long way in this combo. You cover it, shake it up, and just keep it aside for 24 hours. Yes, you keep it aside for 24 hours so that all the goodness is going to extract and come out of these things. And once you get this kind of golden color, you know that all your ingredients has been extracted, and you know that it is ready for you to use. So you just keep it for 24 hours at least 24 hours. Then after that, you transfer it, you sieve it out, transfer it into your spray bottle, then it is ready to use. Before I tell you all how to use this combo for best results, so that you get the best of results, I want to first and foremost thank you all for watching with me to this extent. If you have gotten to this stage of the video, thank you for the watching, thank you for the likes, thank you for the subscribe. Please don't forget to share this video. Let's continue. This is another day. I transferred the combo to a smaller spray bottle because that one was not spraying. I added my hair growth oil. You can add any oil of your choice, shake it together in order for you to mix the combo together. So I took off my hair from the protective style I had it on and started spraying it on my hair. You need to spray it on every strand of your hair, on your roots. Your roots is very important because your hair grows from your roots, so you need to start from your roots to spray it everywhere, front, your edges, your back. Make sure that you get every part of your hair. Consistency is key. Consistency is key. Don't expect an overnight miracle. No, it doesn't work that way. So keep doing it. Keep being positive with your hair. Keep praying for your hair and handle your hair gently. These are the little things that you need to do in order for you to get the best of results. You can go through my channel, go through my hair videos. There's none of those hair videos that will not be beneficial to you. Go through it. These are practical tips that I have done and it has worked out for me. Go through them and apply it on your hair journey, and you thank me later. You'll be grateful that you did. So with all those tips, then with all these natural ingredients that you'll be adding to it, it is going to do a lot of good to you. So that is literally all I have to say. I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner. At this point, you can decide to go in with your butter. If you have your hair butter, you can decide to go in with your hair cream. I'm out of my hair cream. I'm still going to make a video about it so you guys will see how I make my own hair growth hair cream. So I'm going to apply the Mega Growth leave-in conditioner to trap in the moisture into this point. You style your hair to your desirable style. So I had to pack my hair up. I'm not going anywhere, so I packed it up and brushed my hair for it to still look sleek and beautiful, you get. So I put it in a protective hairstyle, that which is very important. After packing it, I make sure that I always fold my ends, guys. That is very important to protect your ends. I always fold my ends because I can't, risk it. Then, I have to look beautiful for my sweetheart in the house, Now I'm looking all pearl. So the next thing I did is to put on my hair scarf, my satin hair scarf for my hair. I tied it because I'm not going anywhere, like I told you guys. I tied it, and that is all. That is all I literally do. But if I'm going out, I'll just style it and just go out like that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Let me know your hair journey. Let me know the stage at which it is. Like this video, share it. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate. Please continue to stay tuned for my next video. Bye.